Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Calendar. First of all, let's go to your profiles, which is on the bottom left. Click there, go to settings, and then click on integration. If you haven't connected your Google account yet, please make sure to connect your Google account and just give them the access. And once you have connected, make sure that your Google account is connected by going through the integration. And if you see the disconnect, your Google account is connected. Now, when your AI calls anyone, or if they are on a conversation with someone, and if they would like to book a calendar, you will get a notification on your Google Calendar with their email ID if you have the email ID. If not, you'll be able to see with the name and the contact informations that have they provided.